Hey guys, so here we are at Lowe's. And
or better.
Maybe. So here we are at Lowe's. So here we are. We found some interesting tile here that looks exactly like the one I want to get from Home Depot. Z33. There it is. Danny likes that one. I think it would go well with the grays and the yellows that we're using in the house. I just need something. Let me see. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. You like that, babe? He doesn't know. First he says Z33, then he says he don't know. Alright, well, we're gonna look a little while and see. How much are they, babe? Do you know? And do they have enough for us to do? Okay, so we've chosen this one right here. There we go. And it should kind of look like that one up there, except that that one has a lot of glitter. This one doesn't have very much. Okay, here you go. Oh, put it back. All right, so we're gonna take 17 boxes of this. And here we go. All right, guys, so we're leaving Lowe's. So it came out to $453. And we got 18 boxes of tile for the fireplace. That's good because I had $1,000 budgeted for that project. And we got the mastic and the ceiling tile that is missing on the ceiling between the kitchen and the entryway. And it was $40 a box. I hope there are enough in there because they only had one box. So I guess you'll see those projects when they're all done. Thanks. See you guys. Bye.